Sorry I haven't posted in a while, but today I'm gonna post. So today I'm gonna be posting every week. I know it's only a month, but I'm gonna try and post every week. So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And this video is just gonna be my collection. So yeah. So first we're gonna start with what's in this bucket that can't fit in my drawers. I have this cube and this ball that you just pass around like that, and you're supposed to get this in the right color. And then we have these nice squishies. And we got this football that's not that squishy. That was in that. And I keep it up here. To my drawers, yeah. It got messed up if you saw my TikTok, me organizing stuff. So yeah. First I have 2 of these in this drawer. And then we have these, they're very fun to play with. And then we got like about 6 monkey noodles. I think there's actually 4 monkey noodles. So yeah. No. Get in there. Oh my god. And like, yeah. So, yep. That's all for that drawer. Now we're gonna move on to this drawer. This is my original kit. I need to sit down. Okay, now that I'm sitting down, I have all my fidget toys right here. Have my bike chain that I was playing with like 2 minutes ago. There's my bike chain. Sorry it's so loud. My brother's watching Ratatouille. I have 2 of these and 1 of these little things. So yeah, they're called infinity cubes. Then we have this. It actually does suck. I hate this toy so much. It's just popping that out. So yeah, I hate that one. And then we have this one that I literally broke the other side. So it's like this spins. It's kind of like a finish spinner. So yeah. Then we have my first one. I pop it. Very nice to play with. Yeah, I love it so much. And this little paper I use for my TikToks. So yeah. Then we have 3 of these ones. All of these colors. So next we have 6 monkey noodles. Right here. All of my monkey noodles. Then we have these little things that squish. If you see my TikTok, I put these in ice, waited like 2 hours, and this, yeah. So, yeah. Then we have this little thingy. I don't know what it's called, honestly, so, yeah. Yeah. Then we have this from my first pack. My mom tied this for me because I don't know really how to tie, like a braided knot, kind of. So, yeah, that's when you put your fingers through them and then you just squeeze. That's that. Made out of monkey noodles. Then we have these that are like a toy, kind of. Very fun to play with. And they make nice sounds. It's very loud right now, so you probably can't really hear it. Then we have this. Then we have this for my first kit. It's only 1 color, and I split them in half. So yeah. Then we have this, the face mirror off a little. Boom. Oh, almost broke. Then we have my bike chain. This one's very more thicker than the other one I have. So yeah. Then we have these 2 little ones. Way littler than the first ones I showed you. And then we have this big one. That's kind of big. So yeah, that's what that is. Then we have this soccer ball that you spin like that. So yeah. Then we have this. This is kind of my least favorite. I would say my least favorite is something else. So yeah, that's that. Then we have this ball. If you see in my TikTok, I cut like the like lace off of it. There was like a lace like this. I cut it off. Sorry if you see that in the background. I didn't know where to put them. So yeah. And I have this one. I just showed you a minute ago. I have this slap bracelet. And guys, that was all. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And bye. I'm going to try and post every week. Bye.